Hi everyone, and welcome to my 29-week pregnancy vlog. I don't really have much to update you guys on as far as like symptoms and how I've been feeling, because it's literally the same nasal congestion, same really bad sleep schedule, and yeah, that's about it. I'll show you a shot of the bump. For 29 weeks, I'm honestly disappointed with how I look. I feel like I just don't look pregnant. I just look like I've gained weight. Like, I don't look pregnant. Like, if I just wore this shirt like a normal person, I don't think I look pregnant. I just look like chubby. Like, I've just gained weight in my tummy area. So I'm really not happy with how I look. Hopefully, eventually, I'll have an actual, like, baby bump. It's starting to concern me that, like she's supposed to be around 3 pounds. So, like, where is she? She's the length of a pineapple or something like that. Like, she's, like, 16 inches long, apparently. And so I don't know where she's hiding, or if she's too small. I don't know. I'm starting to get concerned that I am carrying so small. It's starting to, like, get on my nerves a little bit. But yeah, other than that, I don't really have any updates as far as this pregnancy. My next appointment is in, like, 2.5 weeks, and I really can't wait to get to that appointment, because it'll be the first time that I see my OB in, like, over 2 months. Which is crazy, because of this COVID thing. My OB is an older lady. She's in her 70s, so she's been staying home, so I've been seeing somebody else. So it'll be nice to see my original doctor and see what she has to say about the state of my pregnancy, because I don't really know what to think at this point. All I know is that she moves a lot. She doesn't have any, like, huge movements, but I feel her in there all throughout the day. So, I mean, I know she's okay. It's just annoying that, like, I don't look as pregnant as I feel. But yeah, my main mission for today is to strip our bed and clean all our sheets and tidy our rooms. And my parents are out of town camping. They've been going camping a lot during this quarantine. They have a piece of property like an hour away that they have a camper set up on. So while they're gone, I'm also going to be nice and, like, deep clean the kitchen and stuff. So yeah, can't wait to get all this done so I can play Animal Crossing, honestly. feel like I just ran a marathon after cleaning the kitchen. So, yeah, I just put the laundry in of our sheets. As you can see, I also have our regular laundry to do. I might wait for my husband to get home from work to do it so I can wash his uniform. Or I might do it tomorrow because we're both off tomorrow. It depends. Anyway, that's besides the point. There was a point I was gonna get at. I'm like really out of breath and really worn out from doing just that little bit of cleaning. I wanted to clean our kitchen just because my parents were gone, and anything that we do to the kitchen is our responsibility while they're gone. And I just wanted to give it a good deep clean just because, you know, COVID-19 and stuff. So I sanitized and cleaned all the countertops, the sink, all the appliances, all the cabinets and doorknobs, and just made it all sparkly and clean so that we can feel better about like where we cook our food. So that's nice. Guess I'll do a nursery update. There isn't one. I told you guys that we were going to paint this wall on Wednesday, and my husband and I slept in very late that day. It's really hard for me to wake up any earlier than 10 o'clock these days. So we slept in even later than that, and we just looked at each other and we're just like, we're not painting today. We're already like super behind. So I thought we were going to paint tomorrow, but because my parents are gone, my mom was going to help us, and she won't be here tomorrow until later in the evening. So I don't think we're going to paint tomorrow either. So we're either going to paint this next Wednesday or next Sunday. So yeah, but we already have the paint. We have all the supplies and everything. We just need the help to do it because I am not much of a help when it comes to painting up high. I don't know if you guys can see, but my ceiling in this room is really high. Those are all my dance trophies, by the way. I used to be a competitive dancer. So we're gonna need a really tall ladder. I think these are like 12-foot ceilings or something like that. I don't really know for certain. They might be taller. And my husband has actually never painted interior like paint before, so he doesn't really feel comfortable doing it just the two of us, since I'm not much of a help and he doesn't know what he's doing. So we're gonna have my mom help. I did finally get a package this week of some baby things that I ordered, some baby clothes from Old Navy, but I'm waiting until another package arrives to do another baby girl clothing haul. I think those are some really fun videos to watch when you're expecting a little girl, or if you're expecting a boy, you watch the little boy ones. I think those are really fun, exciting videos to watch when you're pregnant, especially a first-time mom. So I want to make another one of those videos. And then we also decided what we're going to do for our baby shower. Originally we were going to have it in May. This was like, we were planning, this was back in February. So we knew, actually it was back in the beginning of March, actually the end of February, beginning of March. We were like, okay, we'll have the baby shower sometime in May. And then literally like a week later, we're just like, oh, okay, that's not gonna happen. So we haven't really planned it until this week. My mom and I finally came up with the plan to do a drive-by baby shower where pretty much all of our friends and family, all of our close friends and family drive by our house. They get to see us. We'll have like popcorn and water and like cupcakes set up on a table for them to take. And if they want to come see us, and like, because I've not been able to see any of my family except my parents during this whole time. I just got a phone call and it interrupted my video. But yeah, just for any family that wants to see us before we have the baby. I've not seen any of my husband's family since our gender reveal probably, which was in the beginning of March, and it's May now. So they don't know what I look like, and they wanted to be able to see me throughout my whole pregnancy, obviously, and that hasn't been what's been happening. So we're gonna do a drive-by baby shower for anybody who wants to come, for anybody who wants to gift us anything. I'm not expecting a lot, just because I don't like to ask for too much. I made my baby registry as like simple and like to the necessities as I could. There are a few like unnecessary things on there, but they're like lower budget, so I put them on there for people who like had a lower budget, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to seeing all of my family. I haven't seen any of my siblings since, I don't know, I haven't seen any of my siblings in like 5 or 6 weeks, which is crazy. Well, one of my brothers and his wife drove by a couple times, but it's not the same. Like, talking to somebody for half an hour in your driveway isn't the same as hanging out for an extended period of time. So, I mean, it'll be nice to see everybody all at once. Hopefully I don't get too overwhelmed, because I am like a introvert. I hate it when people say I'm an introvert, because like if you can say that you're an introvert, I just feel like maybe you're not so much an introvert. You just like to be in that stereotype. But I have never really been super social or super outgoing, and so to be like self-isolated at home for the past 6 weeks and then to all of a sudden see everybody all at once, I hope I don't like lose my mind and am overwhelmed. But I'm looking forward to just seeing everybody, honestly. But yeah, that's the update on the baby shower. We're gonna do it drive-by style, and it'll be towards the end of May, which is good. I'll have like less than 2 months left before I'm due, so I think that's like good timing. I can't believe I have like 2.5 months left until I give birth. I feel so unprepared. Like, I've watched a lot of like labor and delivery vlogs throughout the years, just because like a lot of YouTubers that I watch have had children. And so I've watched a lot of those videos, and like I know what to expect. Like, I know that some women, you know, they have their baby within an hour of their first contraction, and then I know some women go on to labor for 36 hours, and then it just ends up needing to be an emergency C-section. So like I know that like it's unpredictable, and I know like all of the outcomes that could happen, but I still feel so unprepared. I want to get like that book, Ina May, I think is how you say it, Ina May's Guide to Childbirth or something like that. I want to get that book and try to read it before I do, obviously. But I have not taken any like childbirth classes, breastfeeding classes. I've not done any of that. I know infant CPR because I took that when I was babysitting my niece. I would like to retake it though, just so that I'm like refreshed. But yeah, haven't taken any parenting classes of any sort. I think I know how to take care of a baby, but I know a lot more goes into it than what is portrayed. But yeah, I just feel very unprepared, like mentally and like physically. Like I want to breastfeed, but I have no idea what to expect. There's like so many factors that go into like successful breastfeeding and versus unsuccessful breastfeeding, and I just feel so unprepared. And then like as far as this whole area is very unprepared as well. We still need a lot of things. We don't own any diapers or any wipes. We own a few things that she could wear right away, but not really a lot of newborn clothes, not a ton of 0 to 3 month clothes. And I don't know, I have like 3 swaddles. I don't have a lot of blankets. I don't have any burp cloths. There's just so few things that I have right now, and it's mainly clothes that are like 6 months and up. So I feel like I should have been more prepared and ready. by this time. If you're wondering why I'm looking out the window, there's this beautiful bush that my parents have planted outside this window, and it has like purple flowers on it, and the butterflies are swarming all over it, and it's really, really pretty, and it's reminding me of Animal Crossing and how much I want to play it right now. I feel like these clips are going to be really hard for me to edit because I've just been rambling about utter nonsense for God knows how long. I don't know, probably more than 10 minutes. So I'm gonna like stop now while I'm ahead, even though I'm not ahead. I'm definitely behind. And maybe I'll continue this vlog on Monday, and hopefully I'll have more to update you guys on. So yeah. So it's actually Tuesday now. Usually I end the vlogs on Monday, but yesterday I filmed like one clip of me doing laundry, and then I spent the rest of the day playing Animal Crossing, to be quite honest, because that's what I've been doing with my days, you know. I have a 5-star island, so you know that I've been putting time and money into it, so gotta keep it maintained. Anyway, I just popped on to end the vlog. This vlog was a lot more boring than other world vlogs, and I apologize. Just not a lot to update on. I mean, when you're in quarantine, there's just not a lot that goes on. But hopefully we get the nursery painted here soon, and once I have my baby shower, I'll have a lot more like nursery type nesting videos for you guys. But until then, I honestly don't have much going on. I need to order a book. There's a book that I want on childbirth, so I need to order that so I can actually start preparing myself for birth, since I have like less than 2.5 months until I do that. And I have not done anything to prepare myself, so that's gonna happen too. But yeah, other than that, there's really nothing to report and nothing to update you guys on. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here so I can edit it and get it up to you guys at a decent time today. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy my videos. If you're new here, you could subscribe if you want to. That would really mean a lot. But yeah, I hope you all are staying safe and healthy and are having a wonderful week. Goodbye.